Here we go. Kevin's got his first carp. Look at him zinging. These things are beast. There's 60 plus pounders in here. This is probably 30, over 30 for sure. Oh, I should lift up my fucking shit, eh? Oh, you got me too. Here, Brock, get a video. Brock, don't even think of it. Go back and get a video. Hurry up. Not right there. You're going to drop it in the water, bud. Bring him over to me.
Nice, he's going. Look at that beauty.
Fucking mangle.
Ooh, you see it?
Fucking that deadly, eh?
Oh, this fucking little ultralight too.
Oh, it is the ultralight. Take your time.
Beautiful day out. Spear him.
There we go.
Frick, that thing's huge.
Holy fuck. I'm just gonna grab him next time and fucking wing him. Go back, Brock.
Why?
You get it all on the thing.
Yeah, I am.
Fuck it. I'm going in and he's coming out.
He's going in, he's coming out.
Fuck.
Woo!
Yeah,
Tristan! We got another one! Tristan!
Okay, shut up.
Woo, look at that.
It's bigger though.
Oh yeah.
What? Dad's? Oh yeah.
Not much. Holy fuck.
Can I kill him? Can I stab him, Dad?
Fuck, buddy.
Okay, turn the video off.
Woo! That is big.
Yeah, baby.
Fucking right, so I'll get a couple pictures.